Okay, here we have a question where we are asked to factorise an algebraic expression. Now this is quite tricky and there's something you need to recognise here. So, things that we should know as good GCSE mathematicians. We should know that when we have the bracket a plus b all squared, that is the same as a plus b times a plus b, that when we multiplied those two brackets together and collected together terms, we would get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. If we did the same for a minus b, we would get exactly the same answer, but we would have a minus sign there. It would still be a plus b squared because minus b times minus b is plus b squared. Now, if I had this one, a bit different, if I had a minus b times a plus b, then I would still get an a squared, but look, I would get a plus ab and a minus ba, which is the same as minus ab, and they sum together to give 0. So I'd have a squared, and then I'd have a minus b times b, which is a minus b squared. Now, this is a very important relationship, and we need to recognize this. It's so important it has its own special name. This is called the difference of two squares factorization. Difference of two squares, because it is one square take away another square. Okay? It sometimes even goes under the abbreviation of dots. I don't tend to use that, but some people do. Difference of two squares, dots. So, what we notice here is that we have got 9x squared minus 4y squared. Now, if I look at 9x squared, it is itself a square. It is not 9x squared is not the square of 9x, because this means 9 times the square of x, but it is the square of 3x, because 3x times 3x is 3 times 3 times x, which is 9x squared, and 4y squared is the square of 2y, because 2y times 2y is 2 times 2 times y, 4y squared. Now, this is our a squared, and this is our b squared. So that is equal to a squared minus b squared is a minus b, so a minus b is 3x minus b, which is 2y. A squared minus b squared is a minus b times a plus b, and a plus b is 3x plus 2y. So that is the factorization of 9x squared minus 4y squared.